Welcome to the royal court of the magnificent Emperor Tetra.
Scientifically named Nematobrychon palmeri, the species is truly regal.
The beautiful Emperor Tetra originates directly from South American rivers.
A stunning combination of black, purple, and silver covers the body.
The Emperor Tetra reaches a maximum size of just 4 centimeters.
Notice the incredibly striking and vibrant blue eyes on the fish.
A bold black lateral stripe runs continuously across the entire body.
Shimmering purple iridescence flashes brilliantly above the black stripe. The delicate fins look incredibly elegant and slightly translucent.
In contraland, the male fish features a spectacular extended central tail ray.
Male Emperor Tetras display a generally darker and richer coloration.
The female Emperor Tetra possesses a slightly plumper body shape.
The female fish often displays green eyes instead of bright blue.
A mixed group of males and females creates a perfectly balanced school.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 10 gallons, or 38 liters.
A complex natural driftwood structure makes the fish feel perfectly safe.
Small caves formed by stacked rocks provide excellent hiding places.
Maintain the water temperature steadily between 22 and 25 degrees.
The slightly cool tropical environment keeps the Emperor Tetra highly active.
The ideal pH level ranges from 6.0 to 8.0. The Emperor Tetra thrives perfectly in slightly acidic freshwater conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully between 4 and 8.
Interestingly, the fish can even adapt to slightly brackish water environments.
The completely peaceful nature makes the fish ideal for community tanks.
The schooling group establishes a very gentle and non-aggressive hierarchy. Male fish occasionally perform harmless mock battles to establish dominance.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality crushed commercial flakes.
Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent balanced daily diet.
Finely chopped pieces of fresh beef heart are a fantastic treat.
Live tubifex worms trigger the natural hunting instincts of the fish.
Frozen bloodworms provide essential protein for maintaining the vibrant colors. The omnivorous fish occasionally picks at soft green algae on plant leaves.
The schooling group competes very playfully for floating food pieces.
During the breeding season, the male displays the darkest purple colors.
The male performs an incredibly elegant swimming dance around the female.
A separate breeding tank filled with fine-leaved plants is recommended. The female fish scatters the tiny clear eggs among the plant leaves. The adult fish will attempt to eat the freshly laid eggs immediately. Always remove the adult fish from the breeding tank immediately.
The tine fry will hatch safely within 24 to 48 hours. The incredibly small fry require microscopic infusoria for the first few days.
The juvenile fish quickly develops the signature black horizontal stripe.
The Emperor Tetra acts as the undisputed royalty of the community tank.
A subtle metallic sheen appears beautifully under the evening lighting.
The silver and purple colors look incredibly striking against dark green plants.
The fish gracefully explores the lower bottom region near the substrate.
Shadowy areas created by tall driftwood provide excellent resting spots.
The agile fish darts rapidly to the surface to catch falling insects.
A massive school moves exactly like a synchronized purple and silver cloud.
The species presents a medium care difficulty, requiring highly stable water parameters.
A slight color fade indicates that the water quality is dropping. A routine 20% weekly water change maintains the absolute best health.
The fish thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow. The fish often avoids overly bright aquarium lighting by seeking plant cover.
Slightly dimmed and warmer lighting brings out the absolute brightest purple colors.
The peaceful fish interacts safely with tiny freshwater cherry shrimp.
Peaceful Corridoras catfish make fantastic bottom-dwelling tank companions. The fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic plants.
A rapid turn reveals the sleek and highly aerodynamic side profile.
A completely stress-free environment maintains the beautifully clear fin structures.
The species brings an incredible level of sophistication to the entire layout.
The fish closely inspects the sandy substrate looking for mist-sinking pellets.
The schooling group forms a perfectly tight defensive ball when briefly startled.
Once relaxed, the fish spreads out widely across the middle water column.
A clean and perfectly plump belly indicates outstanding dietary health. The intelligent fish swims to the front glass quickly to greet the owner.
The fish looks exactly like a tiny swimming nobleman, adorned in purple robes. The Emperor Tetra demonstrates why the Tetra family is the absolute favorite.
During the quiet night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel.
The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic Emperor Tetra.
The highly curious fish explores every single small crevice within the rock hardscape.
The fish waits eagerly, right at the designated feeding ring every afternoon.
Sometimes the incredible silver reflection completely overpowers the black stripe briefly.
Floating green leaves provide soothing comfort and excellent overhead cover.
fish provides an endless display of dynamic motion to static layouts.
A completely black background poster makes the purple colors visually explode.
Completely transparent pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect balance.
The species proves to be a highly rewarding challenge for experienced aquarists.
The fish swims continuously without showing any signs of resting fatigue. Highly oxygenated and absolutely pristine water ensures the best health condition. The classic torpedo shape is perfectly built for continuous mid-water swimming.
The fish looks like a tiny aquatic jewel moving silently through the leaves.
A large school brings an undeniable and highly vibrant tropical energy indoors.
Behold the royal and highly majestic beauty of the incredible Emperor Tetra.
The absolutely perfect symmetrical body shape is a highly impressive natural marvel.
Add the unforgettable Emperor Tetra to the freshwater community aquarium today.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing intermediate fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful Emperor Tetra? Tell us in the comments.
The Emperor Tetra is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
Thank you for exploring the royal and beautiful freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Always remember to appreciate the small details in your beautiful aquarium.
Keep your water clean, and your fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.